This is a bear rescue fire truck kiddie ride by 𝕰𝕬𝕤𝕤. This better work or else. Okay, here we go again. Ready? Go! Made by 𝕰𝕬𝕤𝕤 in 2018. That will bring us back to dough. Road, so a needle pulling threads. Tears over the channel red. They will bring us back to dough. 𝕭𝕬𝕬𝕬𝕬 so dough. Okay, we're now off to the next game. Bear rescue. Lamb. Mary had a little lamb, which please was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, Fire plus rescue. It followed her to school one day, that was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Time's over. And that was the bear rescue kiddie ride by 𝕰𝕬𝕤𝕤. If you want me to film the version 2 car school, like and subscribe.